Guys, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry it's been so long. It's been about a month, but I am just so sorry for that. I lost my phone and I couldn't find it, but guess what? It was under a jelly bean mask in the couch. So yeah, that was a whole bumble of jumbled bananas. So we are going to be making a bee swarm video. Haven't really planned out what I'm gonna do yet, so let's just get right to it. But hold on, I want to see how much. He's only a day old. I need to be playing this more. Okay, so let's see which good thing I need. We're probably gonna be grinding out cactus peel for Wispy and Crispy, but before that, let's go claim all my free rewards. So my blueberries, my strawberries, and my glue. And also a ticket if possible. Bang. Now let's just use this because why not? Bang, bang. Then boom. Then bing, boom, bang. Alright. Bop. And then let's go over to Gummy Bee so I can get my glue. Oh yeah, off camera, I got the Gummy Bee. Or not the Gummy Bee, I didn't get him, but I'm saving up my gumdrops for him. As you can see, I have 120. But, or 1020, I guess. But I'm going to be using one of them to get into the layer, so. Oh, sorry. I used it at the wrong time. Flip. Alright, glue dispenser. Alright, hello. Yes, hello. Now I just gotta wait through this thing, so. Yeah, that's that. Okay, is my volume? Okay, my volume isn't there. But the plus passive free gumdrops is gonna be very helpful. I am looking forward to getting this, but if you see it, that's going to be a lot. And I am nowhere near that. I don't even have the porcelain dipper yet. So, got a lot of grinding to go, because I don't even have a mythic. I'm grinding till mythic. Icon. Okay, but I'm making a video right now. So you can't be out here. I'll just take my Cheeto. Yeah, thank you. Jack will be in some of the next videos, I promise, guys. Give me a white cheddar Cheeto Puff. And find them in Walmart. So, I also need to collect my royal jellies. Also, just why not? Since I have infinite. Just why not? Have the gumdrops on at all times. And that's about to go out. Yep, 1 minute. And 10 royal jellies. Perfect. Hold on. 4 magic beans, which is really good. Oh, I didn't have any royal jellies before that. Okay. This guy is the pro of the server, but I still have more legendaries. Haha. Okay, so let's get rid of my commander bee, because I want full legendary. I had my auto jelly on. I'm gonna go turn that off. I'm going to turn auto jelly off because I want to see what they get. Alright, so I got Riley Bee. Rascal Bee. I forgot. Sorry. Not a Riley Bee. Rascal Bee. I am still leveling up this bummer. I mutated him twice. So yeah, he's fully mutated. And oh yeah, hold on. Let's go. I know this was supposed to be about Cactus Field, but I mean, we gotta do some detours first. We're only 5 minutes in. You guys gotta stay. You guys gotta stay for the whole 30-minute video. Even if you watch my videos. I don't care if you do or don't. I just make this for fun. Alright. Level 10 attack! I don't have a level 10 bee. I'm still working on the 3 level 9 bees that Mama Bear gave us. If you want to come to my birthday, it's on October 1st. Jonah, you already know where I live. Or I could just come pick you up if you want. Italy, I don't know if you even watch my videos, but I don't know. Maybe I can send you my address or something. And then Miss Sharp, I definitely don't think she's coming. If you're watching this, I don't mean any offense, just like you're preparing for a school. Plus, I'll have part of my birthday at the school, so. But yeah, I definitely don't think any teacher is coming to my school or my house anytime soon. Alright, but yeah. Hunter already knows where I live, David already knows where I live, Nick already knows where I live, and Jonah I can just pick up, so. Yeah. Thank goodness I didn't get the amulet. Because it's so cool just picking them up. Like, instead of getting that nasty amulet. What'd I get? Because sometimes I get different stuff. Oh, hello. I got a friend on. 3 butter jellies, 10 gumdrops, 10 moon charms, 5 tickets, 1 red extract, 1,500 honey. Well, not 1,500. One. I don't know, but yeah. Right. Where should I use? Okay, of course. I'm not using my gumdrops. I'm not using my gumdrops. I don't care. I'm using my glitter. And my glue. And my sprinklers. And I'll roll the dice, why not? Dang it was bamboo. It was Bam. Woo! Oh, there's a werewolf here. If you guys saw my defeating a werewolf video, you can hide behind this cactus. He won't be able to hit you. Not many people actually watch that video, so. Just wanted to what in the heck are they watching? Oh, they're probably playing Mario Kart again. So this is the part of the time where you go grab a snack and wait for 20 minutes. Grab a snack, get cozy, because this is all you're going to see. Oh wait, I forgot to stock up on micro converters. But also after that, I'm using red extract, blue extract, jelly beans, micro converters. Not stingers. Glue, oil. Well, not oil. Animize. Maybe a tropical drink. I don't know. Marshmallow bee. I'm going all out on this. Because this has taken me 4 months. I'm not kidding though. It took me like a month and a half to find my phone. And then it took me like 3 months. Not 3 months, but it took me like 4 weeks to get the dandelion field. Because I kept playing Minecraft to beat the game. And I did, which is woohoo. But seriously. Alright, since I'm out of glitter and field dices, I am going to equip. Where are they? What? I swear I saw micro. Oh, they're there. They're hiding from me. They're hiding from me. Wait, I already had them? Well. Alright, jelly beans. Actually, no, I don't really need jelly beans. Red extract, blue extract. Blue's already there. Minimizes. And I'm not going to use the tropical drink. The marshmallow bee, not either. And I'm not going to use my cloud vials because I'm saving those for the windy bee when I have enough bees. And it is time to go. All out. Bang, bang, boom. Alright, now we just go ham. We go ham with it. It's gonna be quite fast, actually. Oh. I'm allowed to say crap in videos, right? I'm pretty sure I'm allowed to say crap. I mean, I'm 8 years old. Almost in the double digits. I'm pretty sure Jonah watches my videos since he's in a couple of them. The reason he's not in a lot of them is because the voice is so loud and he's kind of embarrassed by it. He's just like, don't put me in the video. So whenever I play with him, he won't talk. But yeah. Whenever I tell him I'm making a video, he's just like, he'll only talk barely. Why is this guy jumping in my field? What are you doing? I'm trying to get some stuff here for Wispy and Crispy. Wispy and Crispy. Holy crap. I'm already halfway there. Dude, if I just done this in the beginning, I would have been fine. I mean, I got the red extract from the... Oh, I didn't even notice I have 14 blue extract. Bro, what can I make with that? Dude, what can I literally make with that? What can I make with that? Let me know. Please. Because I want anything. Anything. I want to upgrade to the porcelain dipper, just I don't have enough honey, as you can see. So, the porcelain dipper would be a huge upgrade for me. So that's why I save up my honey, because I have nothing else to spend it on. Also Star Journey 2 is heck. I'm not allowed to say it, though, yeah. It's just heck. It's heck. And redo that, and we're back to part 3! At least I'm talking to you guys. What if I was just here silent for 10 minutes? That would be a terrible video. I swear, if I become a ginormous YouTuber, I am sending out merch. Free merch. To everybody I know. Every single person I know, I'm giving them merch. Free. Every single person I know. Every single person. And I'm even talking to David and Nick. I know where both of them live. And I also know where Hunter lives, but he's kind of far away. But yeah. Both Nick and David live in my neighborhood. Hunter does not anymore. He used to because he used to go to Daybreak, but now he doesn't. But his mom's thinking on coming back, so woohoo! And we are almost done with Wispy and Crispy in this one video. It only took 10 minutes. Bro, how come I didn't do this? And it's probably because I was focused on Dandelion, because Dandelion is so flippin' hard. Alright. Let's go! Alright, let's go talk to Black Bear. I wonder which one this is. I wonder what this would give me. Oh my goodness. Micro-converters! 7 more quests. 7 more quests! At least I got...
Why is there a cookie on my rocking chair?
I did not put that there. I do not know why there's a cookie in there. I wonder why there's a cookie there. I just wonder. Bro, smart not hard. I need to get that. I need to get that. Walk through the woods, pine tree forest, and bamboo. Oh no. Let's go get stuff from the blender, aka gumdrops. Gumdrops. I don't even have the resources for gumdrops. Bro, I need gumdrops. Especially because, well, I only have 1,000. I need 2,500. I just can't believe that easy star jelly. That's easy star jelly in the life of this game. Come on. I can make a tropical drink? Bro. I can make a tropical drink, but that's only good for Spiderfield. I need pineapples! I need pineapples! I wish I could pause this, but I can't, so I'll have to get it off camera. But then you guys won't believe me and think I'm hacking. So there's no way to do that. This shop, I cannot afford any of this. Maybe this someday, but no. What the heck is... Oh, Buzz Bomb Bomb. Focus Pulsar. What the heck is Focus Pulsar? What does that do? Haste Pulsar. Haste Pulsar and Focus Pulsar. And then this one has Coin Scatter. What? 100 million, which is less than porcelain. But look at that. Look at that amount. Look at that. 250 tickets, which is 5 golden eggs, which you need. 25 Animeyes, very hard. 50 oils, very, very hard. And then the one that tops it off, the 9,999 treats. How come you couldn't just make it clean and make it 10,000 on it? Because you didn't want those one people that hit the max amount of treats and they can't get the one more. They have to spend 20 Robux, but they only have 19 Robux. Oh my goodness! That would be savage. If one person put, like, every time you go onto the game, it puts your Robux amount and it puts it one more for beating the game. So when you go to buy Robux, every time you rejoin the game, it resets to how much Robux you have, and then you can never beat the game. It's called the Troll Quest. That would be amazing. Also, I still don't know how you get behind here. I'm not sure, but there's got to be some way. I can't figure it out for some reason though. So, what were we on? Oh yeah, pineapples. How come there's a blueberry and strawberry dispenser, but there's no pineapple dispenser? Bro, give me a pineapple dispenser. No, Jack, no. Let's go play basketball. And I'm still making a video. Oh no! My percent! My percent is about to die! It's at 24! Here, you can play basketball over here, okay? Just don't bounce it too loud. So just only shoot, okay? Only shoot, don't dribble. Alright, so... Jack, I said don't dribble. Jack, that's called dribbling. Don't. Jack. Pineapples. I need 1 billion honey. Huh. I have to play 7 days? How have I not played 7 days of this played 7 days of this game. Unless those are months. Unless the first thing are hours, the second thing are days, the third thing are months, then yeah, I haven't played 7 months. Wait, maybe I have. If anyways, then that thing is just wrong. I swear I've played 7 days. I swear I've played 7 days.
I mean, this is how you double dribble.
Jack, I said no dribbling.
That wasn't dribbling, it was double dribbling.
No dribbling or double dribbling.
I can't get it. Zaya.
Still making it. He won't stop dribbling. Sorry about that, guys. Alright. Sorry if you couldn't even hear the basketball. Sorry about the whole unnecessary fight. Ooh. Alright. How much does this guy have? Oh, I still have 84. Okay. Well, this is gonna take a while. I'm on my 22nd kill, I think. Also, I got a headset from Burlington. The mic doesn't even work, so I still can't talk to my friends on Fortnite. Can you believe that? I still can't talk to my friends on Fortnite because that mic doesn't work. You know, that's gonna take forever without somebody. I am not submitting a honey storm. Last time I did that, I lagged the crap out of my game. Scorpion Salad, but that's Leaperlickin' Blue Cove. Oh my. No, I don't want to do that one right now. I mean, I could do the flying ants one, so let's go do it. Come on, let's go, team. No, it's going the army ant route. No, I don't need army ants. I need flying ants. I know they're a bugger, but... Oh, there we go. Flying ants. We got some. Barely any, though. I'm gonna die on a bronze level. No. Oh, let's pause for a second. So I can reach out. Bro, why did I do that? Ow! I'm gonna get hit. I'm gonna get hit by that tank. That tank of an ant. It's a level 3 though, so we're good. Whew. Come on, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Come on, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. No, 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 no. That wasn't natural fire, obviously.